current experience with Dash was very, very easy. I was thinking maybe it's going to be something they would have to ask for my account and stuff like that, but it wasn't like that. It was just very easy and it didn't even take more than five minutes or 5 seconds, and the payment was great. That was very good. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed the payment.
My name is James, and I actually used the Dash app, and it was very nice, very easy and simple. Just something I've never seen before, and the payment was just easy, fast.
My name is Daniel. I paid tonight for my movie with Dash. It was really fast and I liked it.
My name is Abiodun Makaidi. I'm talking to you about Dash. It's a digital currency you can use to pay for movies and anything online or offline. I used it today and it was quite wonderful because I even got a discount. So you all should try Dash.